Greetings, my name is Daniela Ayda. I am from the Social and Politics faculty. I'll be presenting about the daily activities during my Sunday days. The first thing I will do is I woke up at 6. Then I check my phone to see unread messages while I was asleep. I don't usually go up and shower immediately. And then after I check my phone, I prepare myself for going to church. My dad drives the car to church. I join the church activities every day. After the church activities, we go get lunches at mall. Me and my mother occasionally do shopping spree because we feel like it. And after that, I will call my nanny to turn on the house water heater because I don't shower with cold water. After I arrive home, I prepare for the next day activities.